The MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan. 4-cup nonstick is a helpful tool for making breakfast. It lets you cook 4 eggs at once. This saves you time and effort in the kitchen. The nonstick surface means your eggs won't stick. Cleaning is also easy. You can flip your eggs without worry. This pan is made of aluminum for good heat conduction. It heats up quickly and evenly. The included lid helps cook your eggs just right. Plus, a spatula comes with the MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan. 4-cup nonstick. This MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan. 4-cup nonstick is designed with your needs in mind. It's a great addition to your collection of frypans. The 4 separate cups make perfectly round eggs. This is ideal for breakfast sandwiches. The price of this egg cooker pan is reasonable. It offers good value for its features. You won't have to spend your whole semana making breakfast. This skillet simplifies the process. Research shows non-stick pans make cooking easier. Overall, the MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan. 4-cup nonstick is a solid choice. Its components are well made. It helps you fry eggs easily and quickly. You can make a delicious breakfast without much fuss. There's no need to worry about sticky eggs. This pan makes cooking enjoyable. It's a practical tool for any kitchen. Consider this pan for your breakfast needs. Pros: easy to clean, includes a lid, comes with spatula, aluminum build, heats quickly, even heating, stays cool. Handle, compact size, good for small kitchens, can cook other foods. Cons: not for induction, handle can get hot, soft spatula, uneven heating, cups too close, lid assembly unclear, may warp when heated, not dishwasher safe, handle screw issue, not for pro use. Features: made of aluminum, includes a lid, comes with spatula, heats quickly, easy to clean, stay cool. Handle, multi-food use, saves you time. The MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan is made of aluminum and has 4 cups for cooking eggs or other foods at the same time. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick, and it is easy to clean. The pan comes with a lid to help cook food faster and a spatula for flipping eggs. The handle stays cool while cooking, and the pan heats up quickly, saving you time in the kitchen. This pan can be used to cook many different foods. This MyLifeUNIT Egg Pan has 4 cups and a non-stick surface, which makes cooking eggs and other foods like pancakes easy. It's made of aluminum, so it heats up fast and cooks evenly. It comes with a lid and a spatula. The handle is made to stay cool. It's small, so it's good for kitchens with not much space. However, it can't be used on induction stoves, and the handle might get hot. Some people have found that it doesn't always heat evenly. The cups are close together. The lid can be hard to put together, and it might bend when it gets hot. Also, it needs to be washed by hand, and the screw on the handle might have problems. This pan is not made for professional cooking.